Class 9 Physics Chapter 1 Motion. In Chapter 1, we shall discuss about motion, speed, velocity, and acceleration, various terms related to motion. So, first thing, what is rest? First, let us define rest. Rest is the position of a body which is defined as a body is said to be in rest if it does not change its position with time with respect to the other surrounding bodies. A body is under rest if it is not changing its position, though time is going on, time is passing on with respect to the body surrounding it. For example, I am here and in front of me a table is in the class. This table is under rest because time is passing on, it goes on continuously. But table with respect to surrounding bodies, you, the students, desks, walls of the room, with respect to these things, table do not change it. Table does not change its position continuously. It is in the position in which it is for the long time or for the time which is considered. So it is under rest. Contrary to this, motion is what? Motion is if a body, definition of motion is if a body continuously changes its position with time with respect to the surrounding bodies, it is called under motion. Example of this is if a boy is running on the road, the boy is in motion because on the other part of road, the side of road, trees, with respect to them, by the passage of time, he is continuously changing his position. The boy is running on road, so boy is here at some instant, then it goes here, here, here. This way it comes here. So here are trees and other particles of the road. With respect to them, continuously with passage of time, its position of boy changes. So boy, a running boy on the road is in motion. Similarly, vehicles which are going on road are also called in motion because they are changing its position continuously. So rest and motion are here are discussed, and this chapter is on motion. So understood it. Then I shall explain what is distance and displacement. Two terms are here relating to motion and rest. One is distance. I am giving an example by which you will understand about difference between distance and displacement. Distance and displacement. Suppose a particle or a body is at A, it goes at B, then from B to C, then from C to D. Then finally it comes here at D. Then distance is the total for AB. This distance is AB plus BC plus CD. This total part is the distance. Distance. But displacement from A to B directly. This way, A to D. It is displacement AD in the direction of AD. Here direction is not necessary, only magnitude. So distance is a scalar quantity, but displacement is vector quantity. So definition is vector it is displacement because it is in the direction AD. So it is vector quantity, this is scalar quantity. Scalar means distance has magnitude only, but displacement has magnitude as well as direction also. So here, after distance, displacement, rest and motion, let us define what is meant by uniform and non-uniform motion. Uniform motion. Motion is called uniform if a body covers equal distances in equal interval of time. So, definition is if a body covers equal distances in equal, two things are there, equal distances in equal interval of time. So, if a body covers equal distances in equal interval of times, its motion is called uniform motion. And non-uniform motion, non-uniform motion is that motion if a body covers unequal distances, in equal interval of time. Means time intervals are equal, but distances traveled are unequal, then this is non-uniform motion. So, if a body covers unequal distances in equal intervals of time, the motion is called non-uniform or variable motion. This is definition of the two terms. Let us further. Now let us define here three terms: speed, velocity, and acceleration. So, what is speed? Speed is defined as the distance traveled by a body is unit time. Speed is equal to speed s is equal to displacement upon time, not displacement, distance. Speed is defined as rate of change of distance. Means a body covers a distance in unit time, that distance covered is called speed of the body. Suppose a body covers 250 meters in 10 seconds, then its speed will be 25 meters per second. In 1 second it covers 25 meters. So rate of change of distance is called speed. You can also give this rate of change of distance is called the speed of the body, or the distance traveled by a body in unit time is called speed of the body, and speed is equal to distance upon time. This is relation to calculate. Here I have given you an example that if a body covers a distance of 250 meters in 10 seconds, then its speed will be right here. Speed, you take yours, right to the speed. Better because it become confused. So speed is The rate of change of displacement is called velocity. The rate of, here also you can add here, the rate of change of displacement. You know displacement is called velocity. Velocity is equal to displacement upon time. Time taken. It is vector quantity. This one is a scalar quantity. So this difference between speed and velocity you can differentiate. One, the speed is rate of change of distance, and velocity is the rate of change of displacement. Speed is a scalar quantity and velocity is vector quantity. I have given relation here. Speed is equal to distance upon time, where velocity is equal to displacement upon time. After these two terms, take one more term which is very important here, acceleration. Acceleration is written as acceleration. The rate of change of velocity. The rate of change of velocity is called acceleration. Acceleration is equal to rate of change of velocity or increase in velocity. Increase in velocity upon time taken. So A is equal to, here we represent this increase in velocity by v2 minus v1 upon 2. That is v2. So this is acceleration. And I have told you speed and velocity have only changing difference in direction. Unit of speed is meter per second and unit of velocity is also meter per second. Speed and velocity. Velocity. Both meters per second. But unit of acceleration is meter per second square or ms minus 2 meter per second square ms minus 2. This is acceleration. So rate of change of velocity or rate of increase of velocity of a body is known as acceleration of the body.